Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hello. Hi. Welcome back to my channel. All about ideas. So, how are you all, guys? I hope so. You all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and very pretty crochet sewing ideas for you guys for your home decor. These are super stunning and very beautiful crochet sewing ideas for you guys. So viewers, if you like this video, then click the like button and also share this video with your friends and with your family members. And if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. These are super amazing and very beautiful crochet sewing ideas for you guys. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, guys.